while we work, they play. What are you doing? Why don't you help your father? So now we are standing. Okay guys, so we got to the park, but we have to change clothes. Say hi, Gia. Don't touch, okay? Hey guys, so today we are painting our front door. It used to be this beige and we're going to be painting it black. Daddy, say hi. We painted the mailboxes to match it already. And there's Erica. She's editing a video she made the other day when they went apple picking. He's just removing any old glue. Pretty much making sure we're cleaning the door good before we sand it down. Now we are taping the glass so that we don't get the paint on the glass. We try to remove it. It has some screws on the other side, but we don't want to mess around with the, what is it called?
The glue that it has, the seal.
The seal. Then if we messed it up, you have to go through another headache of getting a new seal and blah blah blah. Just easier this way, right?
Yes, sir.
And while we work, they play. What are you doing?
What?
Why don't you help your father paint the door?
It's alright.
And if you guys are wondering what happened to his hand, he fell off his bike and
He got hit by a bus.
no, he did not get hit by a bus. He fell off his bike and broke his wrist. When do you get your cast removed?
October 1st.
You happy?
Yeah.
Why are you a little liar? He did not get hit by a bus. So now we are sanding down the door. Basically, you're taking off all the debris and bringing it back down to its normal state. So they're racing RC cars. This is Adrian's, I'm sorry. And Darian has, what kind of car do you have?
Mustang.
Darian's driving the blue Mustang. Chris, who do you think is gonna win?
Darian.
Darian. How about you, Erica? Alright, so I'm gonna show it to you guys again. We got the blue Mustang and the gray and blue
Fast and Furious GTR R34.
GTR R34. Wait, not yet. Gotta make sure they're lined up correctly. I'll say go. Don't cheat. No, don't go yet.
3, 2, 1,
go. Well, I think Adrian won, even though they were driving crazy. So for today's project, we are using the Avanti paint gun. We bought this in Harbor Freight. We didn't want to buy an expensive one because we've never used a spray gun before. And we're only painting the door, so it's not going to be that big of a project. But if we like this, we might as well buy one that's a little more expensive and we can use it around the house. But let's see how this one does.
Oh, mine is not gonna fall. Mine is not gonna fall. Oh yeah, right here.
Guys, don't mind me, I'm not used to holding the camera or even talking into a camera. So this is actually my first vlog that I'm doing where I'm actually talking. So give me a break. And for those wondering what paint we used, we went with the Sherwin-Williams. And we got the color Tricorn Black. I know it looks gray there, but it's actually black. And I'll let you know if we like it or not, but supposedly this is one of the best ones to use. I can't record us taking everything out and putting it together, and you moved everything.
Look, Adrian!
So this is what it comes with. I'm guessing you put the paint inside of here, and that is the, not good lighting, I'm sorry guys. This is the gun.
Is that cool?
You think you could figure it out, sir?
Yes, I can.
Damn, the lighting is really bad in here.
The lightning?
The lighting.
Very straightforward.
How do you think it's gonna come out, son?
I don't know.
You were supposed to say great.
Great.
You think?
Yeah. If it needs more, we put more.
They poured it in the black paint. And now my dad's gonna use the... It's a paint gun?
Yes.
Want to cover it?
Yes. Guys, wish us luck.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
It's your first time using a paint gun, Dad?
Just first time for everything, huh? Alright,
We're having some technical difficulties.
what's wrong with it, man?
What is going on over here?
He's breaking his Hot Wheels.
No, don't do that. Okay guys, so the camera is dying, but I just want to show you guys real quick what the front of the house is looking like. So right now, no, there's no door. My dad's painting it. So there's that on that there, and then my mom got these little plant things, whatever you want to call them, trees. Well, and then she put like white rocks, and then yesterday they did a little DIY, and they spray painted the mailboxes black. I love how it looks. It's gonna look so nice with the black door. It's gonna really give off a really modern look, which is really cute. So I'm gonna go charge the battery, and I'll see you guys later.
Hey squad, welcome back to another video.
Hey guys, before this video even finishes, I'm so sorry for the intro. It sucks.
We're going to a park.
With our cousin Gia and our uncle Tata, and yeah, and
Our grandma and a Willow.
and we're going down to a park by the water, and we have a ball, and we're just gonna chill, and then we're gonna vlog some more.
Hey guys, so we got to the park, but we have to change plans. Say hi, Gia. Okay, so originally we were going to go to the park that was under the George Washington Bridge, but the park was closed, so we ended up coming to another park. And now Darren's driving his RC cart with Gia, and they're having fun. Let her try. Wow, you could do a good job.
She just can't turn it.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Alright.
Look at little Ellie eating her things. Oh, you want to touch it? Oh, okay. She's saying bye, guys. Ah, you're so silly. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Say hi, Mom.
Parking lot, Grandma.
No, out of the parking lot, she said.
Record this. Yeah. Record this. Oh, she has it? Okay.
She's gonna hit it out of the parking lot, guys.
Where the hell is the ball?
That juice bussin'? Is it good? Yeah? You better talk to me. Talk to me, girl. Talk to me. Do you talk? Do you like cocoa melon? Do you like apple juice? I like apple juice too.
Now that I want to do it again.
Ah. So, hi guys. I don't remember the last time I picked up the camera, but it was definitely the park. When we went to the park with my cousin. But now it's like 3 days later, 4 days later. Because it was Sunday we went to, no, Saturday we went to the park.
So like a week.
No, not really. Almost, like 5 days.
Yeah.
So now we're at, where's it called?
Car show.
And then look at all the cars. Let me just turn the camera.
Don't touch, okay?
Touch, okay? Right there.
That is a pocket.
All right.
Adrian, you having a good time? Alright.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, I gotta look at this one. This one's cool. Guys, look at this one. You like this car, Adrian?
No, I freaking hate it.
The process to take a picture.
3 of the bigger ones, and we continue to give out some of the smaller ones.
So many cars.
Rocket number 24.
Darian is obsessed right now. He's so happy. Look at the Porsche.
Darian. Adrian.
They came back out with it again in the 90s and 2000s.
Are you cold?
Nice for a little car.
Darian.
No.
Mostly.
Say I lied.
Okay guys, so it's been a while. We never updated you guys on how the door came out. So this is the final look. It came out good. We painted the mailboxes also. Halloween decorating already and still got to continue, but we're almost done.